Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Good morning. Namaskar, everyone.
Namaskar, ma'am. Not
Namaskar,
namaskar.
beta.
Good morning, ma'am. Namaskar, ma'am. Ma'am, I see you something.
Yes, show me.
Ma'am, wait.
Wow.
Ma'am,
What is
this
that?
is you.
Cake. Shapes you have made, right?
Shapes, ma'am. Our
Yes.
activity.
Okay. Very good. Lovely shapes you have made. Yeah? Very good. Very good. And how was the exam?
Was very nice, ma'am. Ma'am, it is very easy. Easy.
Swarit, speak properly. Okay, and what about aptitude? How were the questions of aptitude?
Ma'am, it's a question. It was written.
Very good. Students, now today we are going to start next chapter of your aptitude. I want all of you to take out your aptitude textbook and pencil and page number 22 of your textbook. Take out everyone. Page number 22.
Now I have the textbook and page number 21. There is a chapter 8.
Then there is no need to speak like this. Alright. Now, in your aptitude, the first chapter was also an analogy, right? Related to analogy only. In that chapter, first one, you all have done analogy with words and alphabets and numbers. Remember? And also analogy of food we have done. Right? So first chapter also related to analogy. Another chapter of analogy we have here, but it is containing shapes, objects and figures. Right? So let's start chapter number 8, analogy, from your page number 22. Now I'm going to share my page with you. Alright? Here is your chapter 8. G. Analogy of objects. We have a pair of different things and we have to find the correct pair for the next one. Right? So अच्छे से हमें देखना है ऑप्शंस को और हमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन को टिक मार्क करना है. Understood? Now the first one. Let's start with the first one. If hen is to chick, horse is to
Mama.
if baby hen is chick, so baby horse is
B. Ma'am, B1.
yes, very good. That is option B. B1 नहीं बोलते हैं. A1 and B1. That one wala suffix you can use only with numbers, not with alphabets. Option B, option A, option C, option D, like you can speak. B1, A1, D1. That's not the proper way to speak, बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
अरे फिर से बोला C1.
Option
1 numbers के पीछे लगाते हैं बेटा. Yes. Option B is correct one for first one. Only first question we have discussed. First question.
First.
और जिसको जल्दी है आगे आगे जाना है वो क्लास लीव कर सकते हैं. Sure? जो भी ऑप्शन आप मुझे बताना चाहते हो, ओनली वंस यू नीड टू स्पीक. 3 to 4 टाइम्स मिला के नहीं बोलना है किसी को भी. First question, hand is to cheek, so horse is to option B, fall. Right? A baby horse, that is option B, is the correct pair for first one. Now let's see second one. If pen is to book, so chopstick to pen we used to write in book, so chalk we used to write on.
Option C, board. Option C, board.
Yes, option C. Yes, very good. You can speak softly without shouting. I can hear you clearly. Okay? So pen is to book. So chalk is to blackboard. That is option C. Okay. Now let's third one. Screwdriver is to screw. So hammer is to
Name A1. Name option A. Option A.
Option A. A1. Yes, option A. Hammer is to nail. If screwdriver we used to fix screw, so hammer we used to fix nail. Option A is the correct pair for hammer. Third question, correct answer, option A. Let's see fourth one. If bangles is to wrist, so spectacle is to which body part?
Eyes.
Yes, very good. Eyes. That is option D. If bangles we put on our wrist, so spectacles are eyes. Option D, put tick mark. And let's move to fifth one. If jug is to glass, if kettle is to jug is to glass, kettle is to very good. Option A. Yes, बेटा बेटा एक ही बार बोलो, मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है. Option A, cup. Kettle goes with cup. Very good. Let's see sixth one. Hanger is to triangle and envelope is to which shape?
Name D1.
If hanger is triangle shape,
Option D.
D1, C1, D1.
मैम प्रयाग बारा.
इतनी बार इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं, आपको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. What?
प्रयाग बारासरा से D1.
Yes, beta. Anyways, option D is correct. If triangle is, if hanger is triangle shape, so envelope is rectangle. So option D, I want all of you to put tick mark and move to seventh one. Shirt is to rectangle, so ball is to
Bat.
net. A1 या option A?
Name
How I need to speak?
option A. Ma'am again प्रयाग बारासरा.
Yes, very good. Option A, not A1. Alright, option A. Ball is to bat. I'm going to repeat all the answers. Please check yourselves. Correct answer, option B. Second one, correct answer option C. Third, correct answer option A. Fourth one, correct answer option D. Fifth, correct answer option A. Sixth, correct answer option D. Seventh, correct answer option A. Is it done now? Page number 22 is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts, queries or questions?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Only Tathya is replying. Rest others sleeping or what?
No, ma'am. No doubt and no question. No question, no doubt, no answer.
All right. Let's move to the next page. Analogy of figures. Here we have some figures, and in those figures we have given some colored parts and some uncolored parts. We have to identify the pattern of the first pair, and we need to choose one for second. Understood, everyone? Take out page number 23, analogy abstract figures. The first one, here you can see the first figure having the left side is colored and then the upper part is colored. So the same thing we'll do with the circle, left side colored part. So again, for the next to continue the practice, which one will choose?
Option D.
Yeah, very good. Option D. The top part of circle is colored. Option D is the correct pair for first one. Understood, everyone? Left side and top side is colored, right? So we continue with the same left then top. Now in second one, right side and left side. So in second means in circle, again right side is colored, right? So right side के बाद कौन सा colored part choose करेंगे? Left side जिसका colored है. So left side colored part is which option? Correct option for second one. लेफ्ट राइट का पेयर है, तो यहाँ पर सर्कल का राइट साइड कलर्ड है, तो नेक्स्ट पैटर्न के लिए हमें ऑप्शन सी, यस ऑप्शन सी, यस राइट साइड कलर्ड है तो पेयर बनाने के लिए हमें लेफ्ट साइड कलर पार्ट चाहिए होगा, राइट? तो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट पेयर फॉर सेकेंड वन. Okay, now in third one, middle part and right side part is colored. Middle, right. So next is middle. So again we need to choose right side colored part.
D.
Very good, correct. Arey wah, very good. So right side colored part is there in option D. So put tick mark on option D. Now let's see fourth one. Middle and left side. Fourth one में क्या था बच्चा? Middle and right side. तो fourth में middle and left side.
Option A.
कैसे option? Yes, very good. Put tick mark on option A. Well done. Now in fifth one, left, right, and then middle part. First left, right is colored part, and then middle part is colored. So again we'll do with the rectangle, left and right. So middle one कौन सा है? Yes, option D. Very good. Very good. Option B is correct pair. Now sixth one में same figure को reverse कर दिया है, right? Reverse figure and the correct figure is in pair. So next के लिए हमें इस figure को reverse करना होगा. Yes, very good. Option C is the reverse figure. Yes, very good. Understood. C. Okay, so sixth one जैसे reverse figure था, seventh one में rotation of figure is there. Okay, the colored part we need to rotate a little bit.
Option D.
Very good. Option D. Yes. Option D means rotation of color figures. And last remaining one, up down pattern. Right? Up and down.
Option A. Option D.
Option A. Option A, beta, not B.
Option A.
Yes, look properly. Option A is the correct one. Okay, again I'm going to repeat the answers. Check yourselves. First, option D is the correct answer. Second one, correct answer is option C. For third one, option D. Fourth one, correct option A. Fifth one, correct option B. For sixth one, correct option C. For seventh one, correct option D. And for eighth one, correct option A. Is page number 23 done?
Yes, ma'am. Complete.
Any questions?
No questions, ma'am. No questions. Clear, ma'am.
Okay, it's all clear. Let's again go back to chapter 1. That is analogy also. Let's revise chapter 1, page number 1. I will ask one by one to each student. Okay, to explain and give answer. Ready?
Yes, ma'am. But
Take out page number 1. You have your own textbook or not?
Yes.
Then there is no need to share my screen with you. You just need to look into your textbook, speak and explain. Let's start with Sia Korvadia. Sia, can you hear me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 1, question number 1.
Okay, ma'am. Here the first, stick the right choice. First, cabbage is equal to vegetables and apple is equal to fruit. Answer is because cabbage is a vegetable and apple is a fruit. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Well done. Now, Sakshya Sanauda.
Yes, ma'am. Question 2.
Second one.
Okay, ma'am. Question 2. Tailor is the scissors and woodcutter is to egg. Because tailor used scissors to stitch the clothes and woodcutter used eggs to cut the tree's trunk.
Very good. Very nice explain. Now third one. Swarit Amdutya. Swarit, can you hear me, beta? Okay, Arav. Arav
Ma'am.
Kundaria.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because I have network issues. Sorry, tell.
Okay, sorry. Continue with third one.
Okay, ma'am. Pencil box. Pencil this. Pencil eraser. Prize.
Purse. It's not prize. Pencil
What?
box. We used to put pencils. So what we used to put money?
Purse.
That is purse. Good, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Become now.
Fourth one, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Dice cube. Cricket ball circle. Because dice is cube shape and cricket ball is circle shape.
Cricket ball is not circle in shape, beta. It's a sphere. Option D is the correct. Yes, it's a sphere. Okay, Arav. Next, Akshar Karya. Akshar.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Fifth one from page number 1.
Number 6.
Number 5, beta, not number 6.
Okay.
Number 5.
Motorcycle, petrol, school bus. CNG. Ma'am, CNG.
Very good. Yes, very good, Akshar. Motorcycle runs on petrol. The school bus runs with CNG. Very good, Akshar. Next is Bansi Dhorania. 6. Bansi
Yes,
Dhorania. Number 6.
Okay, ma'am. Cub driver. Country. Sun.
Explain please why you have chosen option B. Bansi, can you explain?
Ma'am. Tiger का जो सब होता सब्जेक्ट का नेम होता
Baby tiger is dog, so baby chick is hen. Okay, now let's see 7th one. Dhruvit Mehta. Dhruvit.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Okay, very good. Diya Santoki, can you hear me? Diya? 7th one, beta.
Okay. Tiger. Fast. No.
Yes, tiger runs fast and snail is slow. Very good. 8 number. Hitar. Good answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hitar.
Yes, ma'am.
8 from page number 1, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Hitar. Speak up quickly, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Cabbage, vegetables.
8
Apple.
beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hitar, we are on number 8.
Yes, ma'am. Bus, road. Aeroplane, sky.
Okay, bus runs on road and aeroplane on sky. Very good. Harshil Aghara. Harshil.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Harshil,
Yes,
number
ma'am.
9, beta. Mr. Wait, beta.
Donkey. Gray. Lion. Roar, ma'am.
Okay, donkey sounds bray. So lion sounds roar. Okay, Misty, last remaining one,
Yes, ma'am.
10th one.
Cricket. Pitch. We play cricket in pitch and boxing in ring.
Yes, very good. Very nice, Misty. Alright, now that we have completed chapter 8 today, we'll do the next chapter in our next class. Alright, everyone? Any doubts or queries?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Alright, all of you, see you in our next class. Okay, beta, see you in next class. Have a nice day to all of you. Bye, bachcha.